So as we know that the International Samagam, the topic for the painting is written as oneness. So while we were talking to the youths here, a question was coming, what is this topic, oneness? How do we know what is oneness? And if you can please elaborate on that subject. Thank you.
Well, coming back to science again, what we are all one. Whether I live here or in UK or wherever, all the human beings are one. The reason? They have the same soul. The soul is part of God. And they have same 5 elements. So if you are made of same material, that's called physical, and you have same part of God's soul, it's divided, so we have, since we have moved or lived different places, has no reason to separate us from each other. I'll cite you an example here, and Babaji has also used this example quite often in his vichars. In 1976, Apollo 14 went into the orbit. The Captain Edgar Mitchell, he looked at from there and he called back his control center in Houston. He said, Houston, my blue and green planet is swimming in the cosmos. So they say that it really changed that person's life so much that he thought we are all one, so why should we differentiate? This is my country, this is his country, or this whatever it is. So that is called oneness. The whole thing was created by God, and God is the owner. Ownership is with God. Owner gave us soul. The owner gave us the 5 elements. So are we not one? When I moved here, half a century ago, whenever, I went for my PhD in Wyoming, University of Wyoming. My wife was also graduate student there. One of the persons in her class said that he did not believe that people of other races, she gave an example of Afro-Americans. She said she did not believe or she did not know that Afro-Americans will also have the color of the blood as red. There were so many things created from generation to generation that he's different, she's different. So this is what Babaji is going to bring all together in oneness. There is a scientific reason for that, there is a godly reason for that, and our Sadguru wants to do that. That's why at the Olympic time, because this is also the motto of the Olympics, is also oneness. So that's why we call it oneness.